Vipps has become one of the most trusted and widely used digital payment platforms in Norway, offering businesses an easy, secure, and customer-friendly way to manage transactions. What makes Vipps stand out is how it simplifies both in-person and online payments while enhancing customer experience. Businesses using Vipps enjoy seamless integration, faster payments, and a range of tools that reduce operational stress and improve cash flow. One of Vipps' strongest features is instant payment processing. Businesses receive funds directly into their accounts almost immediately after transactions. This reduces waiting times and ensures consistent cash flow, which is critical for small and medium enterprises. Vipps also supports multiple payment environments, meaning it works for physical stores, online shops, service providers, and even freelancers. With QR codes, customers can scan and pay instantly, eliminating the need for card machines or bank transfers. Another major advantage is easy integration with online platforms. Vipps can be linked with popular e-commerce solutions, websites, and mobile apps, allowing customers to check out quickly without entering card details. This leads to fewer abandoned carts and a smoother customer experience. Businesses benefit from higher conversion rates and improved trust because Vipps is already a familiar and secure payment option for millions of Norwegians. Security is another key element of Vipps' value. The app uses bank-level encryption, two-factor authentication, and identity verification, ensuring that all payments are protected. This level of safety reassures both merchants and customers, making it easier for businesses to build long-term credibility. Vipps also offers merchant insights and analytics tools. Business owners can monitor sales trends, payment histories, and customer behavior directly from the Vipps platform. This data helps in making informed decisions, improving marketing strategies, and understanding customer preferences without relying on third-party tools. The user experience is smooth for both sides. For customers, Vipps payments take only a few taps. For businesses, there's minimal setup, and the interface is intuitive, requiring no technical expertise. Vipps also enables automatic invoicing and payment reminders, which reduces manual work and the risk of missed payments. Another valuable feature is peer-to-business payments, allowing customers to pay directly from their Vipps app to a business number. This is especially useful for small businesses, pop-up shops, and event vendors who want to accept payments without complex hardware. Finally, Vipps provides strong brand trust and recognition. Since most Norwegians already use Vipps in daily life, businesses adopting it instantly gain credibility and accessibility. Customers are more likely to complete purchases when they see the Vipps logo, knowing it's fast, secure, and familiar. Vipps continues to evolve, offering flexible payment options that suit both traditional and digital-first businesses. Its combination of simplicity, security, speed, and analytics makes it one of the best tools for modern commerce in Norway. For any business aiming to improve payment efficiency and customer satisfaction, Vipps stands out as a reliable, future-ready solution.